In this problem, the diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O, and we have those three areas of the triangles AOB, BOC, and COD, and the question is to find the last area of the triangle EOD. So how we will do it? The first thing is we will call this angle X, and here also will be X because those two angles are vertical. Here we have supplementary angles X and this one, so here we will have pi minus X, and the same for this one, which is vertical with pi minus X. We will have here pi minus X. Now the distance OE will be called E, OB B, OD D, and OC we call it C. And now let's evaluate every area. For S1 we have S1 is equal to E B sine of X over 2. This is the formula of the area of a triangle like this, ABC, with an angle X here. The area of the triangle ABCS is 1/2 EB AC sine of X, and this formula will be applied for the four triangles. So let's evaluate the second one, S2. S2 is equal to, so S2 is equal to here B C sine of pi minus X, sine of pi minus X, here sine of pi minus X, sine of pi minus X over 2, and the third one S3. So S3 is equal to D C DC sine of X over 2, and finally S4 is equal to E D sine of pi minus X over 2. Now let's evaluate the product S1 times S3. So we have S1 times S3 is equal to EBDC or ABCD, it's the same, ABCD, the product ABCD, sine X 2 times, which is sine squared of X, over 2 times 2, which is over 4. Let's see S2 times S4. S2 times S4 is equal to, here we have BCED, it's the same ABCD, 4 numbers multiplied, and here we know that sine of pi minus X is equal to sine of X. We know this. We know that sine pi minus X is equal to sine of X. This is a known formula, and here we have sine of X 2 times, since sine pi minus X is sine of X, so sine of X times sine of X is sine squared of X, and 2 times 2 is just 4. And here from those two equalities we deduce that S1 times S3 is just equal to S2 times S4. The two of them are equal to ABCD sine squared of x over 4. So we have S1 times S3 is equal to S2 times S4. S1, S3 equals S2, S4. And now the final step is just to find S4. S4 is equal to, from here, S1 times S3 over S2. And we calculate it. We have S4 is equal to S1 is 10 times S3 4 over S2 8. 10 times 4 is 40 over 8, which is of course equal to 5. S4 is equal to 5 square centimeter. And this of course concludes our problem.